forgot to introduce myself. Well, first of all, my name is Hozin Rao and I'm from M1T1. Next, I would like to state a little bit background of mine. I'm actually from Selangor, Goomba, specifically SMK Selayang Baru. Not many people know about it. Next, I would like to talk about my hobby. Actually, I like to sleep, but don't judge me. I'm not a lazy person. You guys can trust me in any sort of work. I can do any work completely within the time limit given without any delay, guys. It's just that I like to sleep and I'm not lazy. Next, I'd like to state my perspective about chemistry. Well, chemistry is actually a great subject. It always teaches you something useful in daily life, something new, and something amazing. If chemistry is not fun and not interesting for you guys, it means that you guys are learning it in the wrong way. So next, so I guess that's all for today. So before I leave, I'd like to thank my friends for helping me making this video, and I'd like to say that East or West, chemistry is the best. Bye guys.
Hello guys, how are you all doing? So my name is Hozin Rao and I'll be presenting you guys about past year question 9, chemistry. This question is a huge question, it carries 16 marks. So let us go right through it. Okay, so this is the question. Based on the question, by looking at it, it looks kind of hard, but after we go detailed, it's not that hard at all. It's actually a very simple question. It's a very basic question. So let us go right through the question.